in front of us. It is supported with the figure also. Let us understand the question with the help of the figure. It says that a medicine capsule is in the shape of a cylinder with two hemispheres stuck at each of its ends. We have a cylinder. The cylinder is stuck with two hemispheres at each of its ends, and the resulting figure we have is a medicine capsule. It says that the length of the entire capsule is 14 mm and the diameter of the capsule is 5 mm. Find its surface area. Observe, we know that surface area simply means the addition of areas of those surfaces which are visible from outside. We know that the entire capsule is made up of a cylinder and two hemispheres. So we can say that the total surface area of the medicine capsule is equal to the curved surface area of the cylinder, which we'll denote as S1, plus the curved surface area of two hemispheres, which we can write as 2 into curved surface area of one hemisphere, since both the hemispheres are identical in shape. Now let us first focus on getting the curved surface area of the cylinder. My dear students, what is the formula for finding curved surface area of a cylinder? Yes, it is 2 pi RH. Now let's next focus on getting curved surface area of one hemisphere. What is the formula for finding curved surface area of a hemisphere? Yes, it is 2 pi r square. For finding the total surface area of the capsule, we need the radius of the cylinder and the hemisphere, and also we need the height of the cylinder. Now let us focus on the given information. We have been provided with the diameter. Diameter is equal to 5 mm, and if we have the diameter, we can find the radius. It is equal to diameter upon 2, which will be equal to 5 upon 2, and it is equal to 2.5 mm. So now we have the diameter, rather we can say radius of the cylinder as well as the hemispheres. Next, let us find the height of the cylinder. Observe, we know that in a hemisphere, radius is equal to height. So we can say that the length of the cylinder, or we can say height of the cylinder, is equal to the total height of the capsule, which is 14, minus the height of the first hemisphere, which is 2.5, minus the height of the second hemisphere, which is again 2.5. Now 14 minus 2.5 minus 2.5 is equal to 9. So we can say therefore the height of the cylinder is equal to 9 mm. So now we have the height of the cylinder as well. Let us now focus on the calculations. Let us first write curved surface area of the cylinder. The formula is 2 pi RH. Let us now substitute the values. In place of 2 we'll write 2, in place of pi we'll write pi. R, we know, yes, it is 2.5, and the height of the cylinder we got just now, it is 9. Now my dear students, 2 into 2.5 is 5, 5 into 9 is 45. So we have curved surface area of the cylinder, that is S1, equal to 45 pi, yes, millimeter squared. Next, let us calculate curved surface area of two hemispheres. We know that curved surface area of one hemisphere is 2 pi r square. So the curved surface area of two hemispheres is equal to 2 into 2 pi r square. Now let us substitute the values. In place of 2, we'll write 2. In place of 2, again we'll write 2. Pi will be pi. R, we know, yes, it is 2.5. So we'll write 2.5 the whole square. Observe, 2 into 2 is 4, 2.5 the whole square is 6.25, and 6.25 into 4, yes, it is equal to 25 pi. So we have curved surface area of two hemispheres equal to 25 pi millimeter square. Observe, now we have curved surface area of the cylinder, also we have curved surface area of two hemispheres. So let us now find the total surface area of the medicine capsule, which will be equal to S1 plus S2, where S1 is the curved surface area of the cylinder and its value is 45 pi. S2 is curved surface area of two hemispheres and its value is 25 pi. Observe, 45 pi plus 25 pi is equal to 70 pi. Now let us substitute the value of pi. Pi, we know, yes, it is 22 by 7. So the next step is 70 into 22 by 7. Now let us do the cancellations. We can cancel 7 ones are, and that is 7 tens are. 10 into 22, yes, it is 220. So we have the total surface area of the medicine capsule equal to 220 millimeter square. A very simple sum, at the same time very beautiful. Thank you.